When it comes to finding the top BIM company in Marathahalli, Bangalore, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd stands out as a leader in the field. With their extensive experience and expertise in building information modeling, BIM, they have established themselves as a reliable and innovative company in the industry. SCON Design is known for their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, making them a preferred choice for clients looking for top-notch BIM services. One of the key reasons why SCON Design is considered a top BIM company in Marathahalli, Bangalore is their team of highly skilled professionals. They have a dedicated team of architects, engineers, and designers who are well-versed in the latest BIM technologies and practices. This allows them to provide comprehensive and accurate BIM solutions to their clients, ensuring that every project is executed with precision and efficiency. SCON Design's commitment to excellence is evident in the quality of their work. They employ advanced BIM software and tools to create detailed 3D models and simulations that accurately represent the building's design and construction process. This level of accuracy helps in minimizing errors and conflicts during the construction phase, resulting in cost savings and improved project timelines. By leveraging the power of BIM, SCON Design ensures that their clients receive the highest level of precision and accuracy in their construction projects. Another factor that sets SCON Design apart as a top BIM company is their customer-centric approach. They understand that every client has unique requirements and priorities, and they strive to tailor their services accordingly. Whether it's providing clash detection analysis, creating detailed construction documentation, or offering 4D scheduling and simulation, SCON Design goes above and beyond to meet their clients' expectations. SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is renowned as the top BIM company in Marathahalli, Bangalore. With its expertise in building information modeling, BIM, services, SCON Design has successfully established itself as a leader in the industry. The company's commitment to excellence and innovation sets it apart from its competitors, making it the preferred choice for clients seeking high-quality BIM solutions. As a top BIM company, SCON Design offers a comprehensive range of services to meet the diverse needs of its clients. From architectural design to MEP coordination, the company has the capability to handle projects of any scale and complexity. Its team of highly skilled professionals utilizes the latest software and technology to ensure accurate and efficient BIM modeling. By integrating all relevant information into a single digital model, SCON Design enables better collaboration and coordination among project stakeholders, resulting in improved efficiency and cost savings. One of the key factors that sets SCON Design apart from other BIM companies is its commitment to delivering exceptional customer service. The company believes in building long-term relationships with its clients by understanding their unique requirements and providing customized solutions.